Hello, my name is Ashley Gray, and my molecule of the year is about Endrin. We will get started with some general background information about Endrin. Endrin's molecular formula is C12H8Cl6O. Some of its physical properties include a molecular weight of 380.909 grams per mole, a melting point of 201.75 degrees Celsius. It starts to break down at 245 degrees Celsius. It does not dissolve in water, but is soluble in ethylene dichloride at 48 grams per 100 milliliters at 20 degrees Celsius. Some of Endrin's chemical properties include toxicity through skin absorption, inhalation, and/or ingestion. When heated, it can emit toxic hydrogen chloride and phosgene. Its LD50 is 3 mg per kilogram orally and 15 mg per kilogram dermally in rats. It is stable in air, however highly unstable when it comes into contact with acids. In its solid form, it is not flammable, but in commercial use it is mixed with highly flammable liquids. Endrin's molecular shape is asymmetrical and contains two fused carbon rings. It consists of one carbon-to-carbon double bond. It has a methylene group coming off one ring and a carbon dichloride group coming off the other ring. It does not have an enantiomer, but it does have a stereoisomer called Endrin. Endrin is a solid, white, almost odorless substance that was first created in 1950 by Shell. It is classified as an organochlorine pesticide used mostly on cotton, maize, rice, and sugarcane crops to kill insects, rodents, and birds. Some other molecules that perform the same function are Endrin, chlorobenzate, and chlordane. In some soils, it can last up to 12 years, affecting non-target species such as fish. At high doses, Endrin blocks inhibitory neurotransmitters in the central nervous system, resulting in excitation and seizures. Other effects may include headaches, nervousness, nausea, dizziness, confusion, and vomiting. Skeletal abnormalities and cleft palate in the offspring were associated with Endrin when it was fed to pregnant laboratory rodents. Endrin cannot be found throughout most of the world due to it being banned in most countries because of its side effects on humans and the environment. You would not be able to buy Endrin in the United States due to it being banned in 1986. Therefore, it should not exist in large quantities either. I nominate Endrin to be the villain of the year. This molecule is highly toxic in many forms and can linger in the environment for years in the right conditions. The drawbacks outweigh the positives for this molecule. The side effects of exposure to Endrin include a long list that targets the central nervous system and potentially causes birth defects, not to mention the effect it has on wildlife and their environment. They definitely did the right thing by banning it when they did.